Hello everyone, my name is Olga Van Light and today I would like to show you Tide pods that are actually come with the heavy 10 times stronger heavy duty results and gives you a hygienic clean, and also it not only removes visible but also an invisible dirt. It also comes with a convenient child lock, so it is completely safe. I would call it not just a child lock, it is also an adult lock. And yes guys, what you will find inside is these high-tech pods that are going to make such a big difference in the way you are doing laundry. So you again can see basically it is the actual size that you see inside, and what you do, you just throw it with your clothing or you add it into your detergent disposal, and it will clean amazingly. And there is actually 48 capsules included in this package.